Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up JWT-based Single Sign-On for the BoldDesk Agent Portal, so your team can log in securely without re-entering credentials. A JSON Web Token, or JWT, is a compact URL-safe way to transmit information securely between parties to prevent unauthorized access. With JWT-based SSO, users authenticate once through the identity provider and access BoldDesk seamlessly, giving your organization full control over user access. To configure this, I log into the BoldDesk Agent Portal as an administrator, navigate to the Admin module, and go to the Settings section. BoldDesk supports JWT-based SSO for both agent and customer portals. I will show you how to configure it in the Agent Portal. Let me select Agent Portal, open the Login tab, and scroll down to the Single Sign-On section. Then, I enable the JWT option to open the configuration page. Next, enter a display name and the authorization URL where BoldDesk sends users to authenticate and obtain a JWT. Then, add the public key to verify the JWT signature. This ensures tokens come from a trusted source. For instructions on generating a public key, refer to the documentation linked in the description. Lastly, provide the logout URL and click Update to complete the process. Now, agents can securely access their accounts without entering credentials, streamlining the login process and reducing authentication friction. The same can also be done on the customer portal. If this video helped, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more BoldDesk configurations and tips. Thanks for watching.